Let's learn how to delete an X account permanently. If you want to delete your account but don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the X application. When you open X, you'll be on the home screen. From there, click on your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Settings and Support. Then you'll see a few more options, and you need to click on Settings and Privacy. This will open a page with many options, and you need to click on Your Account, which is at the top of the page. When you click on that, a page with 4 options will open. From these 4 options, click on Deactivate Your Account. This will open a page where you need to scroll down a bit and click on Deactivate. Then you'll be taken to a page where you need to enter your password. Once you enter your password, the account will be deactivated for 30 days. If you do not reactivate it within 30 days, the account will be deleted. To reactivate it, simply log in with the account's credentials. That was the tutorial on how to delete an X account permanently. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.